after getting out the coconut milk, what do you do with the leftover pulp? So here I have taken jaggery in a saucepan and I'm going to add little water, and I'll leave this on the flame so that it will melt. There. So this process will take some time. In the meanwhile, in a frying pan, or if you don't have one, you can take a normal vessel, add ghee or butter, whatever you like, and then here I'm adding cardamom powder. It gives a very good aroma when fried with ghee, or when it comes in combination with ghee. And here I have added that pulp which has no coconut milk remaining. So all I have to do is just fry it in the pan like this. So friends, initially if you see, this thing is very crumbled up, and once you fry it nicely, it becomes very loose. It's no more crumbled up form, so when you pour it into another container, it will be somewhat like a sand. So that's our jaggery. It's almost melted. And here, see, once you have fried that coconut, it gives you desiccated coconut, and this is how it is. It just has a free flow like sand. It just falls off like this when I pour it into the other vessel. So once I'm done with this part, by transferring it into another vessel or another deeper bowl, I'll just spread it across so that the heat will just come off. And then to this I'm going to add our melted jaggery. So that's it. Friends, you all can also make use of sugar. However, jaggery is very healthy and it does not rise your sugar level in one shot. That's why it's a good substitute for a sweetener. So there. Now to this we are going to add a few cashew nuts. To crush the cashew nuts, I'll take the rice serving spoon in this way and just press it over the nuts. So in this way it will just crush it and make it into smaller bits. Once you have the smaller bits of cashew nut ready, all you will have to do is mix it in the mixture that we had prepared earlier of the coconut and the jaggery along with cardamom powder. And that's it. Mix it all well inside and transfer it to another container. Now in this container we'll just transfer it and press it with that same spoon, rice serving spoon, and make it flat. So friends, when you actually serve this is not going to be hard, because our consistency of jaggery was a little runny. If you want a harder consistency, you'll have to thicken up the jaggery. So here in this way it will be a dessert, a sweet which is very tasty but not very hard that you can hold it in your hand. You'll have to serve yourself in a small bowl and have this dessert. Hope you like and found this hack useful. We all hate to throw the leftover pulp of the coconut, so this is a good use of it. Friends, if you are new out here, please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.